Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So we have these ingredients on top of the counter and we're getting ready to make our favorite sandwich. Come on with me guys. Now I'm starting out here putting some bacon into the air fryer. So let's get that going. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hosting Quick and Easy Meals is Jean Home Decor and More, Jennifer at Home, and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Remember to head on over to their channels because you won't be disappointed. They put out amazing content from home decor to decluttering and cleaning. Most of all, we put out cooking videos to give you some inspiration. Now, when you head on over to their channels, make sure and click the like button. Leave them a beautiful comment, guys. Subscribe to their channels because, as I said before, you won't be disappointed. Now, let me go ahead and continue telling you what I'm doing here with this sandwich. So we already have the bacon cooking in the air fryer, and I'm going to come back and slice some lettuce and some onion. So this is one of the Italian breads that I buy from Walmart, and I will always place it in the freezer because I buy it by bulk. So we're gonna go ahead and start out by taking this out of the wrapper and moving on to that lettuce and onion. Now I'm using the Duke's mayo, but you make sure and use whatever favorite mayo you use, if you even like mayo. So we're gonna put a nice hefty amount on both sides of this Italian bread. Now, as far as the cold cuts, guys, you know you can alternate these cold cuts with any ones that you like. I just happen to use what's in my refrigerator, and we're using some sliced ham and some American cheese. So we're going to go ahead and start layering that on one side. So as you can see, I just fold the slices over and lay it on the sandwich from top to bottom. Now we're gonna start with adding the lettuce and the onion. You can omit the onions if you don't like them, but we love onions here. Now what I'm doing is getting some spices. So we're gonna put some salt, pepper. I'm not using garlic, I'm using Italian spices. And then we're gonna top this off with a little bit of olive oil and some vinegar. So now the bacon is out of the air fryer, and we're gonna start layering that in the sandwich. Then we're gonna start cutting this, guys. I forgot to mention that the special theme for this week of quick and easy meals is my favorite sandwich. So to me, this is screaming charcuterie board. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm so excited. Now here I'm asking my son to pass me the charcuterie board that I want to use, and so that's what he's doing right here. This is actually one of my favorite boards. Let's see. Here we go. He doesn't want to show himself. It's so funny because normally he does. So we're going to go ahead and place these slices of these sandwiches on there. I'm going to leave them a nice size. This looks like a great lunch, and so that's what we're going to be doing after this video. Now, I love charcuterie boards because this is great for serving. And so once you lay it out, you can go ahead and enjoy your guests and enjoy your meal with your guests. Now, doesn't this look absolutely amazing, guys? You can serve this with chips, with pickles, whatever condiments you want to serve it with. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think this looks absolutely amazing. And this is one of our favorite sandwiches. In some places, they call them hoagies, grinders. There's so many names for this, but like I said, this is absolutely amazing, refreshing, not too much work, especially in this hot weather. So I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.